Hey everybody, welcome back. We've got another video. We're getting close to fall and stuff is starting to come out places. But I've got a thrift store and Dollar Tree haul for you. Yeah, so it was fun yesterday because I went in specifically looking for something for a video that had to be up. It's Christmas and July stuff. And I happened to be Christmas and Halloween is right next to each other. So I went through and I was looking, I'm like, oh, they had these trees. Let me take this one out. Let me take them out. And they're actually, well, whoever had this used it as a earring tree. And the same with this one. This one actually is supposed to light up. I don't know if it does or not, because I think the batteries in it are dead. But we'll turn it on and find out. Ooh, it does. Awesome. Well, that's cool. Do they all work? I don't know what this says. Let me see. This is an old one that is just cut. They just stuck on here. But it looks like these purple ones do work. I am going to, okay. So this one lights up. Put this up there. This one lights up. This one does not. And I paid $1 for this one. And I think I paid $1 for this one. Yep. I don't have anything for Halloween like this. And I thought it would be fun to put it on my mantle. I thought it would be way fun. These little creepy trees. And I guess they're some of the stuff that I've seen for this year looks kind of cute, but they've decorated the tree with like spooky earrings. I think this is just a pin. So, yeah, it's an earring, but it's a post earring, and they just stuck it in there. They put little stuff on it, like earrings, and have it be a creepy tree. Well, I want it to be really creepy, so I'm not going to put anything on it. And I will decorate this down here with something else. It's got a little Martian guy. I will take these items off and use them for something else. But this one does light up. And I can get, if I want it to light up, this other one. I can get those little battery operated lights so they both light up. But I thought this was, I'm like, oh, awesome, there's two of them. This one's more sparkly. I could put one on one side of my mantle and one on the other one because I have that creepy town that I have. And I thought this would be cool for each side, or do something totally different and put it on my mantle. But you can move the branches the way you want them to look. You know, so I thought that was fun. I didn't know that lit up. That's awesome. I needed, when I did my cart, my December daily, my December cart, I was taking notes, I needed pipe cleaners. I needed green, red, what was the other color? And I think the sparkly ones. So I picked up another pack of these, but I got these at, these ones I got at Dollar Tree, because they were $1. They didn't have plain ones. These were 99 cents at Walmart. So I think I still need red. They were out of red. No place had regular red. So I did get these, so those will go in the bottom of my cart for that. And then I found some more stuff that fell. These are way cute. These would be good for little charms for my scrapbooks or whatever. My October dailies. Let's put this on somewhere. I can use them. I don't think any of these will work for what I'm doing this year. The black cat will. Maybe the ghost. These ghosts, the wooden ones, will. The black cat will. Maybe the pumpkin. There's a couple of spiders on here. Yeah, there's a spider on here. And I've got some spiders. That'll work for my stuff. And there's a skeleton ring I'll have to take off. I'll have to take everything off of this and start over again. But it's got some meadow stuff, so this is way exciting. And then I found a metal cart, or not a cart, but a whatchamacallit, a little crate thing. And I was thinking maybe I needed it for the laundry room, but I'm not sure. Or I may use it down here. But I also may use it for my hot cocoa bar that I'm making. So I don't know. But it's pretty sturdy. It's not broken or nothing. So I grabbed this. This was a buck. So that's pretty cool. Probably paid like $5 something for it at the store. So that's cool. So for now, I will keep my haunted little trees. I'll turn this baby off. I will leave this over in the corner for now because we're doing December and July. So the next thing I got is from Dollar Tree, and they did have some. They've got school supplies out, and they've got a little section of florals for fall. And I'm like, I don't know what florals I want. I won't know until I really get out my box, my fall box, which comes out in August. That comes out in August, and then I can look for everything because I start putting fall out August, and then that'll stay out. October will be Halloween, and then it all goes away November 1st. Actually, I keep some fall. I take Halloween down. Keep the fall stuff up till the Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving I take it all down. Because I put my tree up on Thanksgiving. That me and Ariel and Jeff do that for Thanksgiving while we're watching the parade and stuff. I bring the tree up before Thanksgiving, so I make sure all the lights and stuff work on it. So I'll have everything up on it, and then Thanksgiving we decorate it. So it's just a fun thing to do. The end of the month for November. Okay, so I picked up some picks. I thought I got 2 of these. I've got 2 of these somewhere. I picked up 2 of these little hay bales because I want to do. I have like a little turny cart thingy on my black entryway table. I thought I'll either use these there or I will use them on my 3-tier tray. I want to get a new one. I want the galvanized one. I think I'm going to look for that, put it in my cart. I want to buy that. So I've got a wooden one that I like, but I want to get another one. But I do have 2 of these. I just don't know where the other one went. It's probably in one of my bags over there. But I did get 2 of these. And then, all right. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to make anything. I don't know. I may spruce up some older stuff. as far as I know right now, the only things I'm making are Christmas stuff. That's why we're doing Christmas in July. I'm going to do a lot of the stuff in July. Yeah, so when December gets here, I may save a couple of things. I'm going to have a decorating videos, you know, stuff like that. There's not going to be a whole lot. It's going to be more in July, getting it ready. I'll have a few things for December. But for November and fall, I don't know until I get all my stuff out if I'm going to make anything. I did pick up some, I think the florals, I don't keep all my florals together. All my fall florals are in the fall stuff. Like my Christmas ones are over in a bucket over here. My fall ones are put away. I need to dig them out. And if I remember right, I think I needed some more little picks, but I'm not positive. So I picked up 4 of these cotton ones, and they have the, I can't remember what we called these back east. I can't remember, but they are cute. I got 4 of these in case I wanted to do something with those. And I got 1 sunflower because I couldn't find another one. So I have this one. I may have another one from last year. But I got one of these. I thought I got 2 of these, but maybe I didn't. And then I've got, they had the light colored pumpkins, but I got 2 of this kind and 1 of this kind. So maybe doing something with these. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna leave these in their bag because I'm not even to fall yet. So I'm kind of ahead. I'm like Christmas in July. Fall doesn't start until August. So that's what I have for that. So I'll just stick this stuff aside for now until I can get out my other fall stuff. And that is it. That is it. So I hope you enjoyed. And I'm sure I'll get some more stuff. We'll see what appeals to me and stuff. I usually get Christmas stuff, some fall stuff, but the Christmas stuff is not gonna be out for a little while. I did find out that my Family Dollar that's near me, where I go all the time, I asked her, I said, did you get any fall stuff yet? And they had gotten a couple of boxes. She said they got like the skull cups like they had last year. I've got one, I'll show you. It's got paint on it, like this, the little cups. I decorate my desk with these. But she said they got some of those. But I asked her when they were going to put it out, and she said probably not until the end of July, but it depends. They're starting to clean off the shelves from summer stuff, and they're starting to put this stuff out. So I may pick up some more stuff from there. We'll see what's new. But I paid $2 for this last year. I don't drink out of it, but I do love it. I just used it for decoration. So when I get ready to get my Christmas stuff off of here and decorate for fall and get ready for fall stuff, I use this. I have a skeleton candle. I have a bunch of my October daily books. I have a bag that I made that I'm gonna prop up here this time. There's a couple of things I'm gonna add to it this year, so it'll be fun. That's coming probably in August time frame. I may film it before then, but I will get stuff together, start getting stuff together, and we'll see what they come up with this year, see if anything is attracting or not. But I do like this. I don't know if they'll have more or not, but we'll see. And to put that up here. So anyway, that's it for my haul. But my Dollar Tree does have some fall stuff. It's just not quite out yet. So I'm hoping I'll give her I probably won't go down there again until this next week. Sometime the beginning of July, sometime. I don't go in there all the time. But, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to quit rambling, and we will talk to y'all again soon. Bye now.